Yo, what's good YouTube? We back for another video today. Today we got a special thing to do, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, like the Scatt. So, alright, fuck yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all. So I gotta remove I'm gonna remove the B over here, and I'm gonna do this. So y'all gonna see in the video, bro, what I put on and everything. But yeah. Yes, so let me do a co-star for y'all. I ain't gonna lie. What's my key? Let me do a co-star for y'all. Wash the car again. I already washed my car this morning. I don't know, do I need it? Shit. I don't know if I need to wash it again or not, but I washed it this morning. I watched it this morning though. So I don't know if I need to watch it again or whatever, but I think I'm gonna just go, y'all. So, alright, I'm gonna tell y'all. So I gotta put a strap on my car and remove the B on both sides, and we're gonna see how that shit looks. I ain't gonna lie. Should look good though. I ain't gonna lie. Should look good. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there, y'all. Alright, y'all. So we at the garage, gang. We're about to do the strappy. We about to do the strappy. You know what I'm saying? We about to do the strappy, gang. Big strap. Big strap. So, ready for this strap? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, we about to do that strap. I ain't gonna lie, man. Fuck it. Fuck it. Yes, sir. So I'm about to go in right now, so I'm gonna see y'all in a few. Alright, y'all, so we at the shop. We got a caddy. Waiting for the stripes. Yes, sir. We got a caddy. Waiting for the straps. Yes, sir. Just chilling, waiting. No. So, yeah. Waiting for the strap, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when it's done. Can't wait to see the result, y'all. I can't wait to see the result. I ain't gonna lie. The result is gonna be crazy though. Very fair. So I'm gonna catch y'all. So we getting ready for the stripe, guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me show y'all real quick. I ain't gonna lie, look at this. I tried, but so whatever. We getting ready to put the strap on. Look at the car, man. It's shiny and everything. I'm gonna remove this too, and yeah. So we got this. Actually, I need my thumbnail, so I'm just gonna do this like this. See? Got the thumbnail, gang. Got the thumbnail, gang. Yes, sir. So, yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when everything is going. That's what it look like. Like it's like a preview, I ain't gonna lie, but it's not even done yet, so I don't know, bro. I might go back tomorrow to get it done because I got other shit to do, but yeah. So yeah, that's a preview. Y'all can see. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all, man. All right, y'all. Like y'all saw, the strap is almost done. Not even. When I say almost done, it's not like we do a little part today. So tomorrow I gotta go back to the shop and we're gonna do the rest. So that's it for today. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Alright, y'all. So I'm not gonna say it's day 2 today, but it's fucking raining outside, and I just got my my headlights on, the new one, so I can change it. What else? What else? We put a post off for that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to the shop, head into the shop, and I'm gonna head into the shop and let y'all know when I get there, y'all. It's fucking raining. I hate this. I hate this shit. So, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get there. This is probably gonna be the last video with the B on. So that's why I'm making this video. I'm at the shop right now. I'm about to going in. So y'all gotta enjoy the last time with the B on, man. I'm gonna miss you, B. And I'm gonna miss you. So the strap is already there, and yeah, I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna catch her later. Yes, sir. So it was raining today, you know. I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait to see the final result, y'all. Like, can't wait, bro. It's gonna be so fucking crazy. Nah, for real. This is gonna be so fucking crazy. So, look at y'all, man. I might just go home and go back. Yeah. Yes, sir. So the car is done. I ain't gonna lie, it's fire, y'all. There's no more B on the side, no more. You see, it's really clean. Like, I ain't gonna lie, but that's a different car right here. Look at this. Nah, that's crazy. It's crazy, y'all. Okay. So yeah, it's clean. Got nothing to say. It's clean. Look at this guy. Yes, sir. So the car is done, y'all. So I'm about to get home and just get some sleep. So y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.